Good morning. This is Anika from Travel World Online New Room. News highlights of the day. Upgraded Indore-Khandwa highway to unlock mega pilgrim volumes ahead of Simhastha 2028. Ministry of Civil Aviation to implement airfare caps under Bharatiya Vayuyan Adhiniyam following Supreme Court intervention. IHG scales Japan luxury footprint. Signs landmark conversion pact with Fuji Kyuko for vignette collection pipeline. Europe's new border system triggers massive airport delays. Airlines under pressure as Iran war pushes jet fuel prices higher. Security alert at Hyderabad airport after bomb threats to international flights. FLY 91 amps up summer connectivity, introduces extra Pune-Goa flights and 1999 rupees special regional fares. Now, news in detail. A massive operational upgrade is coming for tour and fleet operators in central India. The 9,224 crore rupee Indore-Ichhapur highway overhaul is now 88% complete. By deploying 3 advanced tunnels to entirely bypass the dangerous Bhairugarh and Choral segments, transit time between the Indore aviation hub and Omkareshwar will be slashed by 60%, dropping from nearly 3 hours down to just 60 minutes. This drastically lowers fleet fuel overheads, unlocks lucrative new multi-state circuits down to Hyderabad, and provides the high-capacity road infrastructure needed ahead of the Simhastha 2028 pilgrim surge. Commercial operations are slated to begin later this year. Airline revenue models and dynamic pricing algorithms are facing an unprecedented regulatory intervention. The Supreme Court has directed the centre to enforce strict airfare rationalization measures targeting wide fare disparities on identical routes. Flagging cases where economy seats on the exact same sector vary between 8 to 1,000 and 18,000 rupees. The Apex Court is reviewing a plea to dismantle opaque pricing algorithms, unbundled baggage fees, and peak holiday fare spikes. The Ministry of Civil Aviation confirmed it is already fast-tracking restrictive tariff rules under the newly enacted Bharatiya Vayuyan Adhiniyam. A decisive framework review is slated for July 13th, a potentially massive shift for travel trade yields. IHG Hotels and Resorts is aggressively scaling its luxury hospitality footprint in Japan, signing an exclusive conversion agreement with Fuji Kyuko Company to bring the iconic Hotel Mount Fuji into its premium vignette collection. The 150-room upper upscale property will undergo extensive capital renovations before re-entering the market, giving inbound tour operators a high-yield premium inventory anchor just 2 hours outside of Tokyo. The signing marks IHG's third vignette asset in the country, joining critical luxury anchors in Osaka and Toya, significantly strengthening the group's regional loyalty and distribution network. A major inventory shift for luxury operators in the Asia-Pacific circuit. A major operational bottleneck has hit European outbound travel. The European Union's mandatory entry-exit system, or EES, is now fully operational across 29 Schengen countries, replacing manual passport stamping with biometric facial and fingerprint registration. Industry reports indicate processing times have jumped by 70% at major hubs like Paris and Amsterdam. Travel operators and DMCs are advised to instantly restructure group transit windows and warn clients to expect massive queues ahead of the peak summer holiday season. The escalating war in Iran is hammering global airline yields and altering flight networks. With jet fuel prices surging over 80% due to disruptions around the critical Strait of Hormuz, global carriers are absorbing devastating operational cost shocks. Air India has just announced the suspension or reduction of frequencies across 29 major international routes through August to cut losses. Travel trade partners should brace for inevitable long-haul fare hikes and reduced summer inventory, as airlines aggressively reroute fleets to avoid conflict airspace. Regional carrier FLY 91 is aggressively boosting its summer capacity to capture the peak vacation rush across domestic regional circuits. To handle the heavy seasonal demand, the airline has officially doubled its weekday flight frequency between Pune and Goa for the rest of May, operating a highly convenient double daily schedule. Simultaneously, FLY 91 has rolled out aggressive tactical holiday fares starting at just 1999 rupees. On its daily Hubbali to Hyderabad and Hubbali to Bengaluru routes, valid for bookings all through May. A major inventory boost for domestic holiday planners. And finally, security protocols have been heavily tightened at Hyderabad's Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, following a series of coordinate bomb threats targeting multiple international flights. Enhanced passenger verification, mandatory secondary baggage screening, and rigorous airside sweeps triggered localized boarding delays for outbound flights to Europe and the Middle East. While transit schedules have now stabilized under strict surveillance, regional tour managers are urged to factor in extended pre-departure timelines for all moving groups. Reporting for Travel World Online, I'm Anika. Stay safe and stay connected to the world of travel.
You are watching Travel World Online.